Hi, my name is Dan Freeman. I'm the application specialist at Foster+Freeman, and I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of the DVM, which is our digital video microscope. So we have a range of different microscopes, but this DVM is going to be specifically used for looking at these tagans and other security features. So the way the microscope is set up, we have a range of different objectives. At the moment I have what is labelled the 350 times. There's also a 35 and a 700 times. This doesn't equate to the full magnification. We'll show you that in a moment. You have two light sources which can attach onto this or here. This is just a visible white light, but we also have a UV light for also examining ultraviolet tagans if the document has those. This is a fixed light source. However, this one is adjustable and can be moved into position and can also spin round as well. The focus can be adjusted using the dial, so we have a coarse and fine focus, and then you have your magnification increments on the front of the microscope. At the base of the microscope we have the XY XY stage. So if I place on the sample, I can move the sample in the X and Y, and we can also rotate the stage as well, as sometimes that can be useful. At the top of the microscope we have the camera. So this is a USB camera that connects directly to the PC, and this enables us to view the image from the microscope within the VSC Suite software. So I'll enable that now in the software. So this is our live image from the microscope. So now I can just try to position and find one of the tagans that I have on this particular sample, and then focus. So if I move to one of the smaller tagans, so this is at the minimum magnification, but of course I can start to zoom in even further, and I say this is on the medium objective. We have a higher magnification and a lower magnification as well. If I zoom back out, because the software is connected, the camera is connected to the VSC software, we can also take measurements. So in this case, if I have the correct objective set, we can take measurements from the tagans. In this case, this particular tagon is 150 microns, and some of the details and the finer text will be even smaller. So in this case, ranging from 10 microns, so 10,000ths of a millimeter. Once the image is in the software, we can use this like the VSC camera, so I can capture images, save and compare just as you would within the normal VSC Suite software. And that's the DVM microscope.